I load the product less than 48 hours.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So from when you launched the product, right?
Mm,
How long did it take
mm.
you to make your
Yeah.
first sale?
First sale, yeah. I made the first sale euh, le même jour, c'est-à-dire après 24 heures. After 24 years, I load the product, I make the first sales.
After 24 hours. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
Wow. So you've now generated over $2,000, right? Since you joined the program,
yeah, yeah.
right? Um, exactly like how many days, right? Because I want us to confirm, right? I want the people listening to
Yeah.
also, know the specifics. How many days exactly did it take you to make, $2,000 plus? Can you remember?
Yeah. Ap- yeah. Après les calculs, after yeah, I see. Yeah, I understand you. After I calculate, I made 2K dollars in 17 days. 70 days.
Whoa!
17 days.
Whoa!
Yeah, 17 days. That's crazy. That's
That's
crazy. Yeah.